My name is Carmen Bucco, and I am humbly announcing my candidacy for District 21 Assembly. I personally want to thank everyone throughout the district who's taken time out of their busy schedule to speak with me. I've gotten to speak to so many people, and not only have I learned a lot about them and what they're looking for, but I got to hear a lot of their concerns and the thing they'd like to see changed and worked on, not only in the district, but throughout the state. I want to take a moment to thank Senator Tom Kean for everything he's done in the state and all his hard work throughout the years. I wish him nothing but the best in his future journey. I also want to thank our future Senator John Bradnick for all that he's done as a leader in the community, as well as our Assemblywoman Nancy Muniz for her support and commitment to the people, and our future Governor Jack Ciattarelli for stepping up to the plate and fighting for what we believe in, knowing he's the right person to confront the issues that face us in New Jersey today. Now a little bit about me. I am a product of the foster care system. At times I grew up on the streets. When I turned 17, the system unfortunately told me that there was no financial help to help me with living or even for college. I ran into situations a lot of foster kids we see today go through. I've had my own issues where at one point in my life I had to decide either I was going to become a statistic or I was going to become a part of society. As you see me here today, it's because I chose to become a part of society and find a way to live the American dream. I am a successful business owner over 20 years, running a custom clothing and tuxedo rental company for men and women. I also run a foundation which is near and dear to my heart for foster kids and orphans who continue to go through the situations that I've gone through over 30 years ago. Something about me most of you don't know, and probably wouldn't know. I have gotten to the second round of the Shark Tank after nine castings. I'm going on my 10th this year. Hopefully we can go. The reason I say this is I'm a believer you never give up on your dreams, and you do what it takes to make your dream come true. I am a self-made man, something I'm very proud of, because I believe with hard work, perseverance, a sense of humility, and wanting to make a difference in people's lives has given me a full heart. We all create our own destiny, and it's about the choices we make that destiny a reality or something to be remembered. I saw a quote somewhere, and I think it's fitting. With unity is strength. When there is teamwork and collaboration, wonderful and amazing things can happen. And I truly believe this for our party. Being a self-made man with the story of living the American dream, like I said earlier, it takes a lot of perseverance, humility, confronting issues head-on, respect for others, loyalty, and never giving up while being open-minded. We have to be asking the right questions, not just voting to vote. It's very important because we not only make decisions or create policies that affects our community, but those decisions wind up affecting a broader community. As a small business owner and a homeowner, I get to see firsthand how bad decisions can affect all of us in our communities. Bringing more of this type of mindset to the table with good negotiating skills is important. Government is a service, and we're here to service the people with honor and integrity. There's so many issues that face us as New Jerseyans today, not just the corruption that goes on, but the support of our senior citizens, the support of our veterans, our first responders, and all the small businesses that are suffering today, and the protection of our youth. These are just to name a few. Looking at these issues with compassion and understanding is crucial. As leaders, we should be looking at them like a relationship. We must be able to work with others. We need to be able to compromise, confront, and tackle the issues while coming up with solid solutions to face these issues head on. I am humbly asking for your vote as a businessman and the founder of a foundation because I believe as an elected official, we should be focused on making memorable differences, negotiating wisely. which is something we actually do on a daily basis probably, and we don't even realize it. I will always stay true to who I am, because there's two important dates in our life: the day you're born and the day you die. It's what you do between those two dates that defines who you are. I believe in being very respectful, compassionate, and understanding to all situations, no matter what the situation is. Also, make sure the issues are solved and not just band-aided. Most of all, one of the biggest things is if you say you have an open door policy, stand true to that. Sometimes people just want to be heard. With this said, I am asking that you consider me for your vote so I can continue to do the amazing things that Senator Kaine, Assemblyman John Bramnick, and Assemblyman Nancy Woman have done throughout the years for our community. I want to thank you for your time and your consideration. If you'd like to reach out to me, my number is 973-945-5859. My website is I'm giving you my business website, carmenbucco.com. I look forward to hearing from you. Stay safe and stay blessed.